Hello everyone, welcome back to Techavro. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add Ken Burns effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. At first, open your video, then select the clip and go to Effect Control panel. Under Motion, you will see options like Position and Scale. At beginning of your clip, click the stopwatch icon next to both Position and Scale. This sets your starting keyframe. Now move your playhead to the end to clip. Adjust the scale to zoom in or out slightly and change the position to pan in the direction you want, like left, right, top or bottom. When you play it back, you will see that smooth Ken Burn motion. Your image slowly zoom and move just like film intro or photo montage. And that's how you can create the Ken Burn effect in Premiere Pro. If you guys like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.